Hi, I'm Chef Eureka Araujo. Welcome to my LifePage. Today I'll be speaking about being a professional pastry chef, but before that, let me give you a brief introduction about me. I was born in Mumbai, brought up in Goa. I did my schooling from Shada Mandir School in Goa. I passed out Standard 10 in 2007. I did my graduation from the Institute of Hotel Management, again in Goa. Graduated in the year 2012. Thereafter, I started my career with the Taj Group of Hotels as a Management Trainee for 2 years, from 2012 to 2014. A pastry chef is a professional that works with desserts. A professional who shows his artistic creations, his knowledge of flavor, knowledge of texture in all the food that he creates and displays and serves to his customers and his guests. Theoretical books. Why theoretical books is important? Because baking and pastry is all about science. It's all about learning what goes behind the ingredients, how science plays a very important role when something bakes, how the ingredients, every single ingredient that is mixed together in something that you bake, how it works while it is being baked. First and most important skill that is required is an artistic skill. Being a pastry chef requires a lot of creativity. It requires a lot of knowledge regarding color, shape, texture. How do you incorporate all this shape and texture into a plate, into your desserts? The first is being able to serve your creativity. The best part of being a pastry chef is you can sell your creativity to your customers. When you serve your customer with perfection and balanced taste, the satisfaction and smile that you see on your customer is speechless. That is what we work for at the end of the day. So the first challenge that you face as a pastry chef is work-life balance. To be a professional chef, you need to give a lot of time at work, which requires long working hours from 12 to 15 hours. So actually during holiday seasons, when you get a lot of orders, it's very difficult to balance out your personal and professional life. So it starts at 7 o'clock in the morning when we need to set out the buffet for breakfast. We have guests who start having their breakfast from 7 o'clock in the morning to 11 o'clock in the morning. We need to keep refilling the buffet. Once we set the buffet at 7 o'clock in the morning, our next job starts. Now we start preparing our desserts for our lunch buffet. Along with preparing our lunch buffet, we also have to set up our pastry shop, since the pastry shop opens at 10 a.m. At 9 a.m., I have a briefing with my team regarding whose responsibility is whose. I dedicate one of my teammates to the pastry shop work. I dedicate one of my teammates to buffet, one to making the breads, and one into the cold work. At around 10, 11 o'clock, I go up to the breakfast buffet to talk and have a conversation with the customers and to find out whether all of the food is okay and up to their standards. We come back at 12 o'clock, we set up the lunch buffet, ready for all the guests again. And the same process follows for the lunch and the dinner buffet as well. I hope I've given you a balanced view of being a pastry chef. Thank you.